What is up guys, TechRex here. So in this video I'm going to be drop testing the new iPad mini 2 or Retina display. This is the 16GB Space Gray Wi-Fi model, and as you can see from here, it's brand new. And I know it's quite difficult to really tell the Retina display from the camera lens itself, but it is in fact the Retina display, and it's an amazing screen, an amazing tablet. But we're going to do two different drop tests, a regular side drop and a front facing drop. Now I want to let you guys know these might not be the most accurate drops. You know, I'm not a robot, I'm a human being, and if anybody were walking on the street and accidentally drop their tablet, it's not always going to be exactly like this. You know, it could be like this or maybe on its back. It's going to vary, so I'll do the best that I can, but let's go ahead and do it. And it's going to be about 4 to 5 feet high, just like the iPad Air. But the iPad Air, of course, as you guys may know, it did not survive that well. So hopefully we'll see this survive better. But let's go ahead and do it. So first one, 4 to 5 feet high, side drop. Let's go ahead and do it. And 3. Let's raise it a little more. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that sounded very brutal, but I'm not seeing any cracks on the front screen. And let's take a closer look. So okay, so that stood up fairly well, I have to say. There's only a minor dent on the lower right hand corner of the iPad. Nothing else at all. Even the back looks fine. No marks or anything of that sort, and absolutely no cracks anywhere. So that was a side drop. Now, of course, let's go ahead and do that front-facing drop. So again, this might not be the most accurate drop, but we're gonna do it anyway. So, moment of truth. Let's go ahead and do it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that was dead on its front. Let's take a look. Wow. Okay, so it does have cracks, but it stood up surprisingly well. So first of all, let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom here. We have you know, some major crack lines around, like I said, that bottom right hand corner from the initial impact on the first drop, and that really spread out all the way down here. But when going in the middle, not many cracks, just a few tiny little cracks going across the screen, but nothing really major in the middle. But then when you go in the top again, you have more cracks. And then what I'm seeing here again on the top left hand corner is that empty area, just like with the iPad Air. That empty area, as you can see, there's pretty much like a little spacing there that's completely empty. If I pushed it more in, you would see what I'm talking about. But that's really something you gotta be careful about. That top area of your iPad Air or iPad mini 2 in this case, very, very vulnerable to these scratches and cracks along those lines. But as far as the iPad mini itself, it's still fully functional, fully working. No issues to the sensor or anything. And then the back looks great too. So that's pretty much it, guys, for the drop test. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. So definitely survived way much better than the iPad Air. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.